All right. Yes, my people, good day. Look what finally decided to come in the mail today. Parts department deliver. All right, let me see what we got. Let me see what we got. Bam, bam, bam. All right, see that? That is the whole back part of the diff cover, the mount with the bushings for that M3 right there. We're putting it in. That's what it looked like. Now that's funky looking. Boy, let me tell you. This is a differential. This is what it looked like. All right. And right in here, there's supposed to be a bushing right there. There's supposed to be a bushing right here. They made the whole thing in one. The prices that I was seeing for the bushings was not more expensive than, much more cheaper than getting the whole thing by itself. So make our life a little bit easier. This is what it looks like. And we will be installing that today. All right. Let's go. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, bless you. And don't forget to go and subscribe to my YouTube channel.